Looking for a healthy and delicious meal? How about a dish that combines protein-rich quinoa with flavorful root vegetables, offering a feast of 5 different fruits and vegetables in one go? Not to mention, a hint of fermented coconut yogurt for an added gut bacteria benefit. Interested? Here's how to whip up this dish step by step. Start off with heating a tablespoon of rapeseed oil in a non-stick pan. Add a duo of chopped red onions, a deseeded and cubed green pepper, a small sweet potato peeled and cut into chunks, a pair of large celery sticks cut into chunky slices, and finally, 10 grams of finely chopped ginger. Fry these for 10 minutes, stirring frequently until they soften and begin to color. Next, stir in 300 milliliters of vegetable stock made with 2 teaspoons of vegan bouillon powder, a tablespoon of harissa paste, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and 2 quartered dried apricots. Bring the mix to a boil, cover, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Then, stir in 10 grams of chopped coriander or parsley. While the vegetables are simmering, heat a 250-gram pack of cooked red and white quinoa, following the pack instructions. To serve, plate the heated quinoa and top it with the simmered vegetables. Add a dollop of coconut yogurt and finish with a scattering of coriander leaves. This dish is not only a treat for the taste buds, but also a boon for health. The quinoa provides a good dose of protein, the root vegetables offer a variety of essential nutrients, and the coconut yogurt contributes to a healthy gut. Plus, the spices and herbs enhance the taste and add their own health benefits. So, enjoy this Harissa Vegetables with quinoa recipe, a meal that is delicious, nutritious, and easy to prepare.